Have you ever woken up and thought, today I fancy rolling a cheese wheel down a hill? No? Well, you're clearly not from Gloucestershire, England. Welcome to the curious world of cheese rolling, a tradition where a double Gloucester cheese wheel takes a thrilling tumble down Cooper's Hill. And here's the best part. Locals and visitors alike race after it, tumbling and falling in a chaotic pursuit of the cheese. Can you imagine a more hilarious spectacle? Now, let's roll back in time to see where this dairy daredevilry began. The cheese rolling tradition didn't just sprout out of thin air, or rather thin grass. This peculiar pastime has its roots buried deep in the English countryside, traced back hundreds of years. It's believed to have started as a local event, perhaps a fertility rite, or maybe even a way for villagers to secure their grazing rights. Yes, you heard correctly. Imagine racing for cheese to ensure your cows could graze. The first written evidence of this tradition, however, dates back to the early 19th century, making it a well-aged custom, much like a fine cheddar. It was a time when communities were closely knit, and traditions were the threads that held them together. Over the years, this humble community event blossomed into a spectacle of hilarity and determination, attracting participants and spectators from all over the world. So, we've seen how this tradition has matured, much like the cheese it involves. Now let's see how it has rolled its way into the 21st century. In today's world, where people are more likely to roll their eyes at a cheesy joke rather than a cheese down a hill, the tradition has only grown in popularity. You see, the English cheese rolling event has evolved from a local curiosity into a global phenomenon. It's not just the Brits who are captivated by the sight of a 7-pound double Gloucester wheel cascading down Cooper's Hill anymore. Folks from all corners of the earth now journey to partake in this peculiar pastime. But, as with any good tale, there's a twist. In 2010, the official event was cancelled due to safety concerns. Yet, the cheese rolls on, defying the odds, much like the brave souls who chase after it. This unofficial revival is a testament to the dedication of the cheese-rolling enthusiasts, who refuse to let this tradition crumble. So, there you have it, the tale of a tradition that has truly aged well, like a fine, well, you know. So, what can we take away from this rich history of cheese rolling? Let's recap. Born from simplicity, this tradition has rolled its way into the limelight. It's more than just a race. It's a testament to community spirit, fierce competition, and a dash of absolute absurdity. This quirky event, with its tumbling cheese and tumbling competitors, has become a beloved spectacle. So next time you see a cheese wheel, remember it's not just for eating. It could be your ticket to fame, fortune, and possibly a sprained ankle. Now, isn't that a good thought to end on?